allow me to use my body and my face as a tool for learning, specifically about facial mapping while I walk to my next building. So the face can tell us a lot about the state of our internal organs and our terrain. If you can see here on my right eyebrow, I have a bald spot right there. The inner canthus of the eyebrow represents the kidney. Now, this could be because I plucked some hairs that were going a little haywire, so I have to be patient and see if those hairs grow back or if it continues to thin. The inner canthus is the kidney, then moving to the middle region, which is the heart, and the outer portion, which is reflected of the thyroid. Next up, we have the small faint line that you see here in the middle of my forehead. This crease is indicative of a small intestine weakness. Now, of course, we all have smile lines. We all have certain structures of our face that crease if we make certain faces. So we have to take that into consideration. But when your face is at rest and you still see a crease, this can be indicative of an organ weakness. Moving down the face, you can see in the corners of the inner canthus here, extending to just underneath the eye, is very faintly bruised. The inner canthus would be liver, and underneath the eye right here is adrenals. This pans out for what I've been experiencing, and this just means that the liver and adrenals need some extra support. Now, with facial mapping, we can interpret many different structures on the face, but we try to look for the big outliers. That would be the creases on the forehead, one deep one indicative of small intestine weakness, and many horizontal lines on the forehead indicative of spleen and heavy metal toxicity. We look at eyebrow thinning and the health of the eyelids. If there's puffiness or swelling on the upper lid, that's indicative of thyroid and spleen. Puffiness on the lower lid is kidneys, and if it extends down to the cheekbone, that's large intestine. We also can see that the wisdomous widow's peak and receding hairline on each side of the head is indicative of a gallbladder weakness, along with the nasolabial folds. So again, smile lines are normal. Most people have them, even children. But if they are there and folded over when your face is at rest, gallbladder.